Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good
In
morning, ma'am.
previous lecture, we discussed analgesic, in which firstly, what is pain, after that, analgesic, then their types, then classification, mechanism of action, pharmacological action, pharmacokinetics, side effects, and therapeutic uses. After that, preparation. Then in today's lecture, we will see contraindications and morphine poisoning. Before that, tell me what is analgesic?
These are pharmacological
They are
agents
for marriage.
where administered orally. They relieve pain.
Classification, the types of
Narcotic
analgesic,
analgesic
Narcotic
or
analgesic,
non-narcotic analgesic.
non-narcotic analgesic.
and narcotic analgesic classification.
First type phenylephrine derivative, example morphine, codeine, thiamine. Second benzyl isoquinoline series, piperacillin, narcin.
There are
Nascopan.
two classes of narcotic analgesic. First one, phenylephrine derivative, and second, benzyl isoquinoline derivatives or series with their example. आपण नार्कोटिक एनालिसिस बघतोय, राईट? की नॉन नार्कोटिक
Narcotic.
analgesic. After that, आपण narcotic analgesic definition, then mechanism of action बघितलं, pharmacokinetic, side effects and uses of narcotic analgesic. If the question is write the pharmacology of morphine or write the pharmacology of narcotic analgesic, 5 mark la question ala. At that time you have to write this mechanism of action, then pharmacological action, pharmacokinetic, side effects and their therapeutic uses and preparation for narcotic analgesic. And if the question is write the pharmacology of morphine, both having same answer. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, this contraindication, up to the contraindication, जर pharmacology विचारली तर तुम्हाला write down करायचं आहे. So contraindication means any idea? Some drugs are contraindicated in some disorders or in some disease or condition. माहिती आहे contraindication meaning? Yes or no?
Not used.
म्हणजे पर्टिक्युलर डिसीज कंडिशन मध्ये सम ड्रग्स आर नॉट टेकन और नॉट ऍडमिनिस्टर्ड. म्हणजे लाईक नार्कोटिक एनालिसिसचं एक्झाम्पल काय आहे? फिनान्थ्रिन
Morphine.
म्हणजे in the contraindication, morphine should not be used in the following condition. म्हणजे ह्या कंडिशन्स मध्ये नार्कोटिक एनालिसिस दॅट इज मॉर्फिन हा ड्रग कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेट आहे. म्हणजे इट डज नॉट टेकन or morphine not administered during the following disorder or following condition. Contraindication means a reason for the person not receive particular treatment because it may be harmful. जर त्या डिसीज कंडिशन मध्ये तो ड्रग इंजेक्ट केला, at that time it is harmful to the person or individual. That's why some drugs are contraindicated in particular conditions or in disorders. So first one, headache, then head injury or brain injury, hypovolemic shock in old patients and infants with MAO inhibitor, undiagnosed abdominal pain. ह्या कंडिशन्स मध्ये मॉर्फिन हा यूज करायचा नाही. मॉर्फिन शुड नॉट बी युज्ड इन or morphine is contraindicated in the following condition, in which first one, head or brain injury. This one asked for MCQ. Which narcotic analgesic is contraindicated in brain injury? Then answer is
Morphine.
morphine. Okay. Then hypovolemic shock. It is type of the shock in which liquid portion of the blood is too low. हा शॉकचा एक टाइप आहे. Also in this condition, morphine does not given or morphine is contraindicated. Old patients मध्ये, infants मध्ये morphine contraindicate करायचे. After that, with the MAO inhibitor. MAO means what is full form of
Amino
MAO?
oxidase.
Monoamino
Monoamino acid.
inhibitors.
मोनो ऑक्सिडेज इनहिबिटर. ज्यावेळेस मोनो अमायनो ऑक्सिडेज इनहिबिटरचे जे एजंट्स आहेत, when they are taken at that time, morphine is also contraindicated. And last one, undiagnosed abdominal pain. Undiagnosed means not identified. म्हणजे abdominal pain जे आहेत, when they are not identified at that time, morphine contraindicated in the individual or patient. This is about contraindication of morphine. All of you understand contraindication?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As such, तुम्हाला contraindication write down करायचे आहेत. Then next, last time in your previous lecture, which poisoning we studied?
Barbiturates.
Barbiturate poisoning.
Poisoning. In which
Barbiturate
chapter?
Sedative and hypnotism.
Sedative and hypnotic.
Because sedative and hypnotic having the two classes, barbiturate and non-barbiturate. Again,
Non-barbiturate.
barbiturate classified into 4 classes and non-barbiturate in which benzodiazepam. Their examples, diazepam, lorazepam, clonazepam. So therefore, in sedative and hypnotic, from their classification, you have to remember in this chapter we studied barbiturate poisoning. Then this second poisoning in narcotic analgesic. Narcotic analgesic example, morphine is the main example or primary choice of drug in which morphine poisoning. So causes of morphine poisoning. First one, there are 2 causes of morphine poisoning. Clinical overdose. Clinically, if there is overdose of morphine, it shows morphine poisoning. Morphine poisoning is also known as opium poisoning. Opium word ऐकलाय?
Yes, ma'am.
So, morphine poisoning, it is also known as opium poisoning. Also, this question on this point, write in detail about morphine poisoning. This question is asked for either 3 mark or 5 mark. You have to write causes, symptoms, and their treatment. In morphine poisoning, barbiturate poisoning, जे सगळे पॉइझनिंग ज्या पर्टिक्युलर कॅटेगरी मध्ये येणार आहेत, त्या पॉइझनिंग वर एका पॉइझनिंग वर ऍटलीस्ट 1 क्वेश्चन असतो. ओके. Then causes in which first one, clinical overdose. If there is overdose of morphine, then it shows morphine poisoning. Then second, accidental or intentional overdosing. Accidentally, by mistaken, if there is overdose of morphine, then it leads to morphine poisoning. Or intentional, म्हणजे deliberately morphine चा overdose घेतला, then morphine poisoning is occur. Then symptoms, म्हणजे morphine poisoning झाल्यावर कोणते symptoms observe होतात. Then first one, pinpoint miosis. Second, respiratory depression. Then third one, clammy or pale skin, nausea and vomiting. Pinpoint miosis हे जे symptoms आहेत, you have to write the symptoms and also side effects on the point pharmacological action. ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला पर्टिक्युलर कॅटेगरीच्या pharmacological action समजतील, at that time you can easily write symptoms or side effects. Pinpoint miosis pharmacological action मध्ये स्टडी केला, yes or no? Pharmacological actions of narcotic analgesic. Pinpoint miosis होता.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is pharmacological action of narcotic analgesic on the pupil, in which it shows pinpoint miosis. What is pinpoint miosis? We are already discussed in our last lecture. What is meiosis?
Contraction of
Contraction of pupil.
Pupils.
Where is? Then what happened?
Pupil are small under light
Meiosis
condition.
means person can see the object only near to him. That is, pupils are abnormally small under the normal lighting condition. The normal lighting condition आहे. At that condition, an individual cannot be able to see or only see the object which is near to him. Then respiratory depression. This point also discussed in there is pharmacological action on respiratory system. In which respiratory depression. Then clammy or pale skin. Skin जी आहे ती pale color ची होते. Then clammy. Clammy means skin wet from sweating. Sweating माहिती आहे? Yes or no? Yes, W-E-A-T-I-N-G.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Skin ची जी sweating condition आहे. At that condition, skin is wet from the sweating and does not usually indicate medical problem. Skin चं sweating होणं, that is clammy skin, and pale color येतो, that is pale skin. Then this one also asked for MCQ. Pale skin or clammy skin is a symptom occurs in which poisoning? Which poisoning?
Morphine and
Morphine poison.
Morphine poisoning is also known as.
Opium poison.
Opium poison.
Opium poisoning.
Then last, okay, then last one point, nausea and vomiting. हे जे symptoms आहे किंवा side effect, you can write म्हणजे common आहेत in any of the agent. These are the symptoms of morphine poisoning. After that, treatment, causes and symptoms. All of you understand?
Yes, madam.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next one, treatment of morphine poisoning. Morphine poisoning झाल्यावर जे treatment दिलं जातं. That is treatment in which first one, there are two types of treatment. First one is symptomatic and second one drug treatment. Now, symptomatic मध्ये in which gastric cleavage and second one artificial respiration. Same treatment आपण कोणत्या poisoning मध्ये study केलेलं? Same treatment we are studied in barbiturate poisoning. That is, first one is gastric cleavage. म्हणजे by if the patient is conscious or unconscious. Gastric cleavage. Same point discuss केले. Do you remember? Ipecac syrup दिलेलं. In the conscious patient, there is ingestion or administration of ipecac syrup, and through which gastric cleavage means to clean out the toxic poisonous substance आहे GI tract मध्ये abdomen मध्ये which can be removed by gastric cleavage. And artificial respiration means when the patient is respiration to supply. If there is difficulty in the respiration, then respiration is advised. And intoxication is by mouth. जर toxification जास्त झालं ते remove करण्यासाठी, out करण्यासाठी, when the patient is in unconscious condition, then the simple stomach wash, that is gastric cleavage, is treatment used through which all the toxic material is removed. This is symptomatic. This is under the symptomatic treatment. And artificial respiration means artificial respiration given when there is difficulty in the breathing. Then second one, Drug treatment. This is important one. This one also asked for 1 mark question and MCQ. Write the pure antagonist of morphine poisoning and also partial antagonist. What is antagonist?
One drug can oppose the
One
action.
drug oppose the action of another drug.
About the action of another drug.
Okay. In which pure antagonist, their example is naloxone and their dose is 0.4 mg, which is given by IV route, and partial antagonist, their example is naloxone, their dose 10 mg, which is given by IV route. Partial antagonist and pure antagonist. याच्यामध्ये confusion करायचं नाही. Pure antagonist is naloxone and partial is nalorphine. All of you understand treatment of morphine poisoning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Roll number 70.
Yes, madam.
Pure antagonist and partial antagonist. Examples. In the drug treatment of morphine poisoning, which drug is used as pure antagonist?
Naloxone.
Anyone?
Pure antagonist of naloxone and partial antagonist of naloxone.
Their dose?
0.4 mg
Pure
and
antagonist of
IV
0.4 mg intravenous.
Second naloxone.
Naloxone 10 mg.
Roll number 63.
Yes, ma'am.
Pure antagonist. Example.
Naloxone. Anatologist.
57. Roll number 57. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
59.
Yes, madam.
Pure antagonist and agonist. Examples. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then what is the problem? Anyone? Tell me the examples of pure antagonist and partially antagonist. With their dose.
Antagonist naloxone.
Antagonist in
Antagonist naloxone and partial
Naloxone.
antagonist
partial
naloxone.
This is the important part. That's why I revise again. Pinpoint meiosis, also important one. In which poisoning it is observed. Here we completed analgesic, in which narcotic analgesic category. All of you understand narcotic analgesic? I revise again from starting of this chapter. Firstly, definition. Analgesics are the, sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Analgesics are the pharmacological agent. When they administered externally, then they relieve the pain. जे agent pain relieve करतात, they are known as analgesic. Then there are two types: narcotic analgesic and non-narcotic analgesic. In this chapter, we see firstly narcotic analgesic in detail. In narcotic analgesic, their classification, in which morphine, codeine, thebaine, papaverine, noscapine, narcine, these are the examples. After that, definition of narcotic analgesic: they produces narcosis and they relieve the pain when they are associated from the burn, parturation, fractures, tumors, trauma, malignancy without affecting the slightly affecting the consciousness. They are known as narcotic analgesic. After that, their mechanism of action: they act on same receptor, opioid receptor, or the GPCR. Then they inhibit the adenyl cyclase enzyme. Then influx and efflux concept: increase the efflux and reducing or decreasing the efflux. Then inhibit neuronal activity, that is relieve the pain. Then their pharmacological action on the body system, in which CNS, analgesia, euphoria, sedation, hypnosis. In respiratory system, pupil pinpoint meiosis, GIT, epigastric pain, or gastric bleeding, CT's head. What happened on CT's head? What is CT's head?
Produce nausea and vomiting.
And vomiting.
Then after that, pharmacokinetic, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Their metabolism through the glucuronic acid conjugation. Then next point, their side effects from their pharmacological action. Then after that, therapeutic uses. Then preparations, contraindications of morphine or narcotic analgesic, and last one, morphine poisoning, their causes, symptom, and treatment, in which drug treatment is important one. So this is about narcotic analgesic. Here we complete narcotic analgesic agents. Any problem, any doubt?